Hi children, welcome back. Already we discussed about the lesson simple machines, and now we are going to solve the problems given in the textbook, right? So the first question, these are the multiple choice questions, and the first question goes here: which of these not a simple machine? Scissors, knife, screw, sieving machine. Scissors is a simple machine. Screw, knife also simple machines. Whereas sieving machine is a complex machine. Why? Because there are some simple machines to make the sieving machine. And next come to which of these essential in all levers. Lever. In lever what we contain? Rod, fulcrum, effort and all of these. What do lever contain? All of this. It had rod, fulcrum, effort, right? All of them they are present in the lever. Next, which is the simple machine helps only by changing the direction, right? Here it won't increase or decrease the force, but it can able to change the direction. Which one? Lever, single fixed pulley, inclined plane and wheel and axle. Which one? Very good. Option B, a single fixed pulley. Very good. Next, which of these is true for a winding road going up a hill, right? Winding road going up a hill. Now see, it is a simple machine work like lever. Do it contain slope? No. Next, option B, it is a simple machine and works like an inclined plane, right? Inclined plane. Next we'll see, it is simple machine and works like a wheel and axle. Do it like wheel and axle? No, just a slope. And it is not a simple machine. No, it is a simple machine. Very good. Next look here, a screw is very similar function to a screw: lever, pulley, inclined plane, wheel and axle. We know that on the screw there are threads. These threads they resemble inclined plane. So option C is the right answer. Which of these machines decrease the force? Tweezer, bottle opener, inclined plane and screw, right? Here we know that doctor uses tweezer for holding the delicate things, so it decreases the force. So tweezer is the right answer. Now, true or false? All simple machine increase the force. Actually it is wrong. It is false. Why? Because pulley do not change the force, do not increase, do not reduce. So first one is the false. Second one, in a machine force is increased if effort move larger distance than the load. Okay na? So here what is said, in a machine force is increased if effort moves larger distance than the load. When we go for the longer distance, then actually the force decreases. You need not to apply more force, right? Exactly, force decreases if distance increase between effort and load, right? So this statement also wrong. A single fixed pulley does not increase or decrease the force. Right, it is right. Absolutely right it is. Next, bicycle is a simple machine. Is it correct? No, wrong. Actually, the bicycle is made up of some simple machines. It is a complex machine. A wheel is a simple machine. No, wheel alone not a simple machine. It is false. It has to mix with the axle. So wheel and axle become simple machines. And next, come to fill in the blanks. Name the simple machine being used in the following cases. A crane used to lift the heavy loads. A crane used to lift the heavy loads. Pulley. Very good. Next, the bus going on a winding hill road. Inclined plane. Inclined plane. Cutting a paper with a scissor. It is lever. Picking up diamond using tweezer. It is also lever. Screw jack being used to lift the car. It is screw. Inclined threads, right? And next, come to question and answers. Here, what is the difference between simple and complex machine? What is the difference? Simple machine, they are alone and they use it to decrease or increase the force, whereas complex machine is made up of simple machines. So multiple simple machines are present, right? Next, name the types of simple machines. What are they? Lever, inclined plane, pulley, screw, and finally wheel and axle, right? Next, what is a wheel and axle arrangement? Here the wheel is arranged to a rod called axle. So wheel and axle, they are arranged together. For example, in case of steering, in vehicle steering, the wheel is attached to the axle, the steering is attached to the axle, so that we can able to rotate them, right? And as well as wheels also attached to the rod, when you observe, when you notice from the back side of the vehicle, right? So that is the arrangement that takes place in the wheel and axle. Next, road on the hill are made to have very gentle slopes. Why? Because the road slopes, they act like inclined plane to reduce the effort. To reduce effort means it increases the force and happily we can travel, or otherwise we are going to slide. Next, list the two ways which screw is more useful than the nail. Here screw can able to hold the material tightly. Why? Because it has the threads. Nail can be easily taken out from the wall, whereas the screw, it will be fixed and very hard to remove. And next one, definitely it is easy to fix. When you hit the nail, there may be chance to get bent, whereas when you use the screwdriver to fix the screw, then there is no bending and easily it can able to insert it into the wall or wood, right? Next, how does a jock work? When you rotate the jock by its handle, then the screw present in the jock, screw jack, it rotates and it can able to lift the heavy vehicle, right? When you rotate the handle, automatically screw moves. When screw rotates, it can lift the vehicle easily without any effort. Okay, next 10th question, look at this. A single fixed pulley does not increase or decrease the force. How then is useful in as a simple machine? Actually, here pulley, it unable to increase or decrease, but it has the capacity to change the direction of force. मतलब क्या है, अपोजिट टू ग्रेविटी फोर्स को टूवर्ड्स द ग्रेविटी करेगा, इसलिए द वर्क बिकम ईजियर. मे बी फोर्स डू नॉट इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज, बट work become easier, so that it act as simple machine. Next, in your exercise book, draw the illustration of lever with the load, fulcrum and effort. That's your duty, right? Now hot questions. Here, with the help of screw jack, even a small child can raise the heavy car. What makes this possible? Simply the threads, the inclined slope arrangement, the threads that are arranged in the screw can able to rotate and it can able to lift the heavy vehicles. Very simple logic. Whereas second one, Archimedes, the ancient Greek inventor, once said, "Give me a lever long enough and I can move the earth even." Right? Do you think it is possible? Definitely possible. If you are the rod like that, that much long enough, definitely we can able to lift the earth also, right? He is right. Now, a wheel is not a simple machine, then how can you make it into simple machine? Actually, the wheel should be attached to a axle. When wheel and axle mix together, then they work as a simple machine, right? So with this we completed the question and answers. So I hope you understand well this lesson. I'll give you assignments and get ready. In the next class we will learn the new lesson, right? Thank you.